Hey guys, we received this JanflyHome white dresser for bedroom or the 5 drawer dresser. It's a tall and with a brown glass and a dresser with a 20 colors LED lights. It's a large capacity with a chest of drawers for bedroom and laundry room or any other room. So you can see the unboxing. It's a really heavy package and then as a secured packing, and you can see a brown glass here and then also the toolbox and stuff. So I will try to fasten the process so I can show you the assembly and everything. So, it's a lot of parts and screws that you have to do, and then I will be fast in the installation process. So you can see this is all self-explanatory manual that describe all the process of installation, and then you have to install these drawers. There are two different type of drawers, the sizes and the one of the display unit on the top, and then so you have to put in all these sidebars. All the screws and stuffs are provided. So once this is all put, you have to set up the corners, set up the back, front, and then you have just make the whole unit. So this is the brown glass that's you have go on the top and then use as a display. So these are the LED lights that comes with it, and you have to just stick this LED light. And on the top, so this is a USB powered LED lights. This is the final unit, and once you can see this final unit, you can see like looks really nice. Is a golden handles, and then the top is the blue light. Also comes with the remote now show. So the drawers are really good space that you can store a lot of things here, and then also the stuff. So these have four golden legs for all the golden handles, and then on the top is the display shelf. So basically, it's a very nice thing to use to put your jewelry, watches or stuff in here, and then you can change the light with the remote control, and also the other things. So looks really nice, very attractive, and is very helpful and things to put in the dresser.